Hello everyone, this is Zach here from Sifu. Now today this video here again would like to do quick updates for overall KLCI market. So by the time I'm doing this video over here currently is 18th of October around 10:30 a.m. So again a quick reminder over here, the stocks that we discuss later on in this video here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. If you want to do any trades based on the stock that we discussed today, make sure you got your own trading plan. Um, I definitely have mine. Whenever I enter trades, I will know that where is my support resistance. Whenever it hits, I will take certain action. Okay. So now after the budget announcement last week, okay, last Friday. So looks like certain sectors having some excitement, but only one so far, right? And the rest is looks like a little bit of disappointing. Okay, especially on the construction of property. So let's take a look at a quick one on the IWCT. It actually break below the 40-day moving average. Okay, on Monday after the opening gap down and currently continue to go lower. Okay, now before actually budget announcement, I do have high hope as well in construction of property because looks like they're actually holding on 40 MA mostly, and it actually comes with sound strength. So that's why actually I entered a few. Okay, one of them actually is Gabungan AQRS, but Monday actually I exit already because due to there is some weakness coming in the overall sectors. Okay, now first of all, let's look into the chart. Okay, normally to be frank, I don't like gap down. Okay, gap down represents a huge selling in the background, and second, it actually closed below the 40-day moving average. Okay, so if you look into Gabungan AQRS, they kind of looks like the same as well. Okay, over here, and today continue to try to go lower. Okay, now the other thing, if you look into IWCT, okay, one of the things that uh, I don't know, for personally for me currently, I'm not really keen and interested because the sign of strength is failing. Okay, now if you look into the chart, right, previously I do have lots of sound strength over here. So most of the time, I kind of like sound strength whenever they are trending above the 40-day or 20-day moving average. Okay, now if let's say your sound strength, okay, this is the latest two sound strength, the green arrow. Okay, hopefully you can see in the chart over here. Let me just zoom in. Okay, if let's say the two arrow here actually fail to make a support, which means this chart is likely to go lower because the strength didn't form a support level. Okay, so if you notice previously, most of the time the strength will form an immediate support level. Okay, a strength will form an immediate support level. So that's where that it tells me that there is still a momentum or continuation. But in this case over here, looks like the strength is not longer from a solid support. So that's why at the moment I don't think I'm interested, okay, in these sectors, okay, for overall construction sectors at the moment. Okay, now the quick one for IWCT. Now let's look into some of the stocks that are actually still holding well above support level with sound strength. So this is me Technovation. I think I do cover a few times, okay, yeah, in including our Telegram and in our this video over here, but still can't break the resistance. Okay, so but overall I think the setup is there. Okay, just that I'm not sure how long we need to wait a main resistance over here. Previously the break, make a pullback and try to go back again. Now this is what I mean, right? Whenever there is strength, okay, you don't want them to actually close lower. So here's an example. Okay, here. Okay, yeah, sometimes it will close one or two bits slower, but no, normally they will hang around the area and push it back in. So yesterday we do see another strength candles coming back. Okay, let me just put it over here. So probably this is the area that I'll watch out. Okay, let's say they close lower, break the 40 MA, it comes in my IWCT or Gabon AQRS, then this is where that I will take my action and minimize my losses further. Okay, but so far trend very well above the 40 and 20-day moving average, and yeah, there are plenty three sound strength at the moment. Okay, for me Technovation. Now let's get into CYPARK. This is one of the favorite at the moment. So previously again break nicely. Okay, we got this sound strength over here. Notice this sound strength actually form immediate support. We got this so-called the hammer candle as well in this area here. So this is the area that we want to monitor for this kind of type of setups. Okay, so break up, deep pullbacks. Okay, around the 40-day moving average. Yesterday we got strengths coming back again. So hopefully it will continue to be challenged again on the previous resistance. So they entered already during this candle completion of the pullback. Hopefully it can move a little bit further. Okay, so this is where I'm prepared to take at least partial profit, okay, from CYPARK. Okay, now pharma actually do the same as well. Okay, pharma actually is kind of same as well. Yesterday the strength is back. Okay, now this is the one that kind of dangerous and tricky because it actually dropped below the 40-day moving average. So this is the part normally I don't interested because sometimes when they drop away, they can they can drop lower again. But since they break, okay, with higher volume. So yesterday, yes, I think likely a reversal pullback is coming in again, okay, to the main resistance around 50 cents area. So let's see it got a chance to retest or not. Okay. But so far, like I said, currently I'm doing this video around 10:30 in the morning. We do see there's down bar, but come with very, very, very low volume. Okay, so I think this is so far still is a healthy pullback, okay, after yesterday high volume bar. So if you look into hourly chart, okay, I don't see any major weaknesses. Okay, so that's why I'm still holding. Okay, so far, right? Because I didn't earn a lot as well. My entry is 445. Okay, not I think it's only like one less than a percent. So let's see how it goes. Okay. So okay, now last one. Okay, this is one of the sectors that's quite excited. Okay, after the announcement, right? Exactly opening on Monday, Leong Hub and the other also make a gap up. Okay, but some actually close the gap, which is the one that I don't like it. Like I think I like CAB, CCK also. Okay, let's check CCK. Okay, it gaps up and then it closed over, currently closing the gap up. Okay, so again representing there's no bullish momentum. Okay, overall, so CAB I think is kind of similar as well. Gap up by close over, closing the gaps. Okay, so for me there's no nice setups. Okay, but RHI pretty nice. I think Lei Hong, if I'm mistaken, also quite nice. Okay, after gap up they actually maintain above the gap up. Okay, so while RHI, if you notice, okay, volume's getting lower. Hopefully today also the volume's getting lower, representing there's chance for this gap to form a nice support. Okay, so what you can do, actually you can switch to hourly chart. Okay, look for some strength or pullback completion in hourly chart. Okay, to try to ride on the trend if you want to. Okay, but for me, I will continue monitor for a few more days. Okay, maybe I want to see how actually it's supported well. Okay, like for example, if you look into previously like 10M, okay, over here, gap up. Okay, now few candles almost touching the 20 MA, followed by a sound strength, then the push again. Okay, so hopefully the movement will be same like Canon. Okay, so again, there's a quick updates for today. Okay, let's say you got any stocks that you think that I miss out that having a good setup. Do let me know in the comments below so that I will cover in my next video.